Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you create new WhatsApp account stuck on the profile info connecting problem in WhatsApp. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Click on Wi-Fi. First check your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is properly connected. Step 2. Long press or long tap on WhatsApp app. Go to Apps Info. Click on Storage. Tap on Clear Data. Again tap on Clear Cache Data on WhatsApp application. Step 3. Open Play Store. Click on Search. Search WhatsApp application. Update your WhatsApp application latest version. Step 4. Again open your WhatsApp application. Click on Agree and Continue. Enter your phone number. Click on Next. Click on Continue. Click on Not Now. Enter your profile name and click on Next. You can follow all of the steps to fix create new WhatsApp account stuck on the profile info connecting problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.